Introducing the Behold mobile phone for the blind, created by Hemkesh from Ramjas International. This innovation was brought to life through the complete design thinking approach. Empathize. Our students empathized with the visually impaired, realizing the challenge they face in using smartphones. Define. They define the problem, creating a device that allows the blind to communicate effortlessly. Ideate. Through ideation, they envisioned a phone that could be operated through simple hand gestures. Prototype. A working prototype was built, designed to make calling simple and intuitive. Test. After rigorous testing, the device proved to enhance communication for the blind. Implement. Now, the Behold phone is ready to transform lives, bringing independence to its users. SDG goals. This project supports SDG 9, innovation, SDG 10, reduced inequalities, and SDG 3, good health. This project has earned a patent and also achieved many recognitions and national awards like the Manak Awards, ATL Marathon, and Technoxian. Introducing the Drive-Aware Notifier, created by Gunisha and Gaurika from SNE International School. This innovation was brought to life through the complete design thinking approach. Our students empathized with drivers navigating mountain roads, recognizing the dangers posed by limited visibility and unseen obstacles. They defined the problem, enhancing safety by alerting drivers to potential hazards beyond their sight. Through ideation, they envisioned a system that uses sensors and alerts to ensure safe navigation on challenging terrains. A working prototype was built, integrating an Arduino Nano, OLED display, ultrasonic sensor, and buzzer to provide real-time safety alerts. After rigorous testing, the system demonstrated its ability to detect hazards and alert drivers effectively. Now, the Drive-Aware Notifier is ready to make mountain roads safer, empowering drivers to prevent accidents with timely warnings. This project supports SDG 3, good health and well-being, SDG 9, innovation, and SDG 11, sustainable cities and communities. This project has been recognized in national competitions like the Manak Awards and ATL Marathon for its innovative approach to road safety. At STEMROBO, we are fostering the next generation of real-world problem solvers, ready to change the world.